Hey there, how we doing, Ecomi and Veve community? It is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update. A little bit to get into today, but before we do that, we are going to go ahead and throw up the disclaimer before we jump into today's video. And I just want to go ahead and shout out every 198 of you guys that are following me or are subscribed to the channel. Let's go ahead and check that real quick. I'm going to throw up the disclaimer real quick. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I am not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information today. So, yep. Thank you guys. 198 subscribers. 2 away from 200. So anyway, I appreciate that, everybody. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. So since our last video, we've been looking at this whole entire move relatively throughout the week, and now we're wondering what is going to happen from here. So like I've been mentioning, we're going to point this out on the higher time frames. This structure right here, so relatively that high and this high right here, is going to be what we're going to want to pay attention to. And why? It is because it is the market structure which is going to tell us which and where the market wants to go. So from here, I'm going to drop into the 4-hour and kind of see what we are talking about. So essentially, I'm going to be honest, I actually took a sell right here. As you can see, I'm down a little bit in my exchange account. I sold 50K right here at 4,700. So we will see if I am right about that. To be honest, I'm putting so much money in the comics that I can't afford to continue to buy this every week. So I've got to make something out of the value that I already have. So that is kind of what I'm doing, is selling high and buying my position back in lower in order to or duplicate the amount of OMI I have, even considering we do have Immutable X coming in apparently the next 3 weeks. So that's going to be a huge price catalyst, whether it's up or down. Do not know that yet. But what we do know is we do want to pay attention to what we have going on right now. And reason I sold is because I can already personally see the market starting to break down from here. If I drop down to maybe a 5-minute time frame, we can already see the market is starting to break down as it trades up. We're starting to see a shift, and so that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I do look for, is that shift in momentum, and that's what I personally see right now. So we are going to take a sell. And that's what I did. Order filled, 4,700. My trades. Yeah, sold it right here. These are all my other sells that I've tried to catch. Sometimes a little too short. That's okay. I guess it wouldn't have played out in the long run anyway. But so yep, sold 50K at 47. Am I stupid or am I smart? We will see. Get ready to trash me in the comments if this just goes to 7 or 0.007 tomorrow. Probably not. But get ready to slander me if it does, because I will be the first to say I was wrong. That's for sure. Anyway, let's go ahead and get back into it. Anyway, about this market structure, what we are looking for is obviously the sustainability of this area without a breakout from it. Especially, we do not, anybody looking to buy lower, we do not want to sustain above this area at all for any long time period, because we obviously see it continue to trade up. So from here, what I'm currently looking for is, I want to see this candle reject. So in order for that, we will start to see relatively consolidation and the market to continue to break down from where it is. And start hitting our levels that we have marked. I don't like to do impulsive drawings just because it's relatively unrealistic. Although I do that for the bulls because we do have some bulls, but you should consider keeping the bearish market choppy because it relatively is, as you can tell. Just anywhere throughout any of our bear markets or bear shorter cycles are very choppy. They're never clean or impulsive like that. It's always like, oof, rocks stepping on Legos and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much our video for today. We are paying attention to this area. Oh, crap. Crud. No. Alright, yep. Paying attention to this area. I'm going to draw a picture around that. Let's see what happens. We're still relatively here from last video, but I am looking for the downplay. Don't at me. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling y'all what to do. I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing. I think everything from here on is up to y'all. How you decide to play this market, but I am personally at the moment looking to take my position and increase it by selling to the market at higher prices and buying back in at lower prices. So, with that being said, everybody, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update. I hope everybody caught a few gems in there, something you may not know, something that might help you gauge your own technical analysis in the future. So I appreciate everybody stopping by, every 198 of you guys. I appreciate it very much. So with that being said, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.